Hi, this is my 3-minute video to go along with a proposal for an expedition on the Dead Sea called Dead and Dying. The Dead Sea is a natural laboratory to extreme environments and global climate change. So what I want to talk about with this expedition is the fact that it's a really unusual project, and we're bringing together both the exploration element, scientific element, as well as an artistic element. And the reason that we're going to the Dead Sea and that we're interested in this particular place is because what's happening around the world with global change is that we see a lot of sea level rise. Well, that sea level rise, the way that it's expressed in the Dead Sea is in fact the opposite. There's evaporation going on, and also because of drawing water out and minerals from the Dead Sea, we have lake levels dropping at a rate of about 1 meter a year. So it's something that, unlike a lot of the factors happening because of warming, we can see it. We can see it, we can record it on a very, very short time scale. And we think that this is a really good way to share, that we can share this information with the public, and that it might be one way to help some of the skeptics, help some of the people that don't have a sense of what this really means and what it's doing. Now, we're going to approach this from an air, land, and underwater approach. So the project expedition has a team of scientific technical divers, including the leads of the project, as well as an entire team coming from the Morris Kahn Marine Station. And we've already done a feasibility effort. And in that effort, we were able to sort out some of the issues with actually diving in this environment. And we will plan to push that so that we can record and film the underwater spring systems and also collect samples from those areas. Now, on the water level and on the coastal level, we're going to be collecting in some of the springs and pools. We're also going to be surveying using geophysical equipment so that we can illustrate and create a three-dimensional picture of this system. And we're also going to work from the air. We're going to be running drone surveys in sequences over time. We've already collected the initial sets for comparison, and this is going to be a way that we're going to be able to show these not incremental, but in fact very rapid changes that are happening on an annual basis. Now, as far as outcomes from the project, one of the main aims is that we're hoping that people sitting in their homes, we're going to be able to produce a fly-in, that you'll be able to go to the Dead Sea, come from above, come down to the coastline, take a look at what's going on in sort of a VR context, and then go underwater, which is something that has never been done before. And there's so few people that have actually dove in the Dead Sea and seen this. And now we're hoping that this will be something that we can bring out into the world for all sorts of young and old adventurers and explorers to appreciate. So have a look. I've brought in some of the photos and footage from our earlier preliminary feasibility efforts, and we hope to get out into the field soon. Thank you.